Yes. Okay, we are live. Okay, I'm just checking my audio and if my screen is sharing. Yes. Welcome back to another live. So sorry about the delay on the live stream today, which is supposed to be happening at 3:45 every day. Today it did get a little bit delayed. I'm sorry about that. We had a few technical things uh, here at Stolo. Yes, sorry for the delay, but we shall get right to the markets, right? So welcome back to another live. And for those of you who are watching this for the first time, what we do here is we try and analyze the market. We try and understand what has happened in the market today, as well as try and predict what could happen tomorrow, right? And how we do this is by looking at the charts. We try and uh, Yes, thank you, GK. So GK says audio video check, which is a good thumbs up and a green sign for me in order to continue the live, right? So yes, coming into it, yeah, as I said, and for those of you who have been joining us every day, thank you so much for joining. And for those of you who are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any live, right? So if the notification was on, you would realize that the video is a little delayed and we are live, right? So yes, welcome back. And what an expiry, right? So completely, we had at least a complete bullish view from yesterday's market, right? FII DII data of yesterday as well, that is 21st June, and we see here net value both green, right? So we see 4,000 crores at the FII net value and DII net value as well, 550 crore, right? Which was at least a very bullish sign from yesterday. So this is yesterday's data, 21st June, 22nd June, that is today. Data will be released mostly in the evening. So around, I think, if I'm not wrong, around 6, 7, 8 p.m. is when the data is released, and it is updated on Stolo as well, right? So yesterday, what we did see is a very bullish view, at least, and we today morning, as I was seeing the opening, we did expect, at least if not me, I mean, if not everyone, I at least did expect markets to be expected a good bullish run, at least in the beginning itself, where this particular place where it broke out of here, 18,900, is when I was a little more bullish, where we could have a good momentum run. But even though that it was a Thursday, I expected a little more volatility to it as well, right? So yes, we'll just give me 1 second, and we'll just quickly analyze the charts as well. So this is the trend line which we have drawn from before. If I just uh, quickly change my time frame, you can see that this is drawn from much before, right? So yes, yeah, there's a lot of analysis here. It might be a little confusing, but yes, here, right? So we started this trend line from 12th June, where it has taken multiple supports from this specific level, right? And coming to it, coming closer to uh, the live market, we did see this acting as a good support as well, right? So coming back to the 5 minutes, this is the same trend line I just showed you, right? And we have seen multiple supports uh, being taken at this particular level, right? And this exactly was an indication where, okay, we were headed downwards as soon as it broke this level, right? So exactly. What we were seeing is 18,900, expecting a very good move on expiry day uh, in order to go completely high. Okay, yeah. GK says you could hide all indicators and drawings from the toolbox. Correct. I I could. I just wanted to show all the indicators and drawings so that because of how long we have been analyzing the market, right? So yes, coming to it, that is one thing where I knew that, okay, if market did break down from this level, we would see it go much lower, right? And exactly what happened, and as discussed, 18,800 is this particular level where we knew it was a very strong support zone, right? And exactly there around that, I don't think it touched 18,800 exact, or did it? Yes, 18,801. It didn't touch 800, obviously. So it's never a particular level, right? It's always, so that's why I usually draw squares as well. So it's usually this range is with which it usually takes support or resistance from, right? So 18,801, it reversed back completely, right? And this was when the complete volatility game started as well, right? So we saw a huge complete four green candles, five green candles, almost every buy. It was flying high, which had a good momentum. And again, right around 150, we saw a slow consolidation period here, and again went back completely in the same manner, right? Which is usually very volatile, and this is what we usually expect on Thursdays as well. And yeah, this is usually when a lot of traders also catch a lot of points. Scalpers catch a lot of points as well, right? So if you did trade today and if you did catch any points today, make sure you put it in the comments. But yes, again, our level here, 18,900, again, right? We have seen it hit almost three times today. Again, it did not completely break it, right? Until and unless we see a very good move about this, we can be much more bullish, right? So again, I think for those of you who have been watching the previous lives, when what we are seeing is we don't see that momentum of the bullish run, even though we're at all-time high, right? And even if you look at Bank Nifty also, there isn't that momentum. We saw Bank Nifty also reach all-time highs right? So Bank Nifty, if you look at it, 44,000 is the level where again it is not crossing exactly, right? We are still not crossing 44,000 level, which is a very strong support, I mean resistance level, at least in Bank Nifty, where again before Nifty did reach all-time highs, we saw Bank Nifty ranging between 44,000 and 44,500, and with Nifty and Bank Nifty both had I think, if I'm not wrong, Tuesday or Monday, we had a good downfall where it did fall below the 44,000 level, and it has not gone back up since, right? So again, if you look at it today, it was a false breakout here around 150, where similar, right? Very similar to Nifty move. We saw a very sideways market, a small downfall, and then a big upward move and a bigger downward move than that, right? So Bank Nifty, again, it's it's very sideways, other than the volatile move that happened today, and that is expected because it's a Thursday, right? So yes, that is the analysis for today, right? We know our levels. Our levels are still respected for 44,000 on Bank Nifty, 43,600 in Bank Nifty itself. Those are the support and resistances. And Nifty, we know 18,000. 900 is a specific level that we are waiting for it to break out of, and is very good resistance it is playing around with, right? So again, I'm still expecting it to break out, but again, as I said, no, not much momentum to it. So I'm still expecting a sideways to bullish market as the days come, right? So today's expiry, for intraday traders, very fun expiry, and we shall surely start with the OI analysis from next week, right? So tomorrow, once the OI actually starts building up, we'll get a better view for the monthly expiry, right? Which is, if I'm not wrong, on 29th. So yes, so that is the analysis for today, right? So usually Thursdays are shorter analysis because we just try and we don't predict for the next week until the OI is formed and all that. So Thursdays is a shorter what do you call analysis, and we try and read the charts on what exactly happened and how we could have understood certain areas, either trend lines drawn, resistance drawn, or supports drawn, and where right? So that is the complete analysis for today's expiry. Hope you guys had good trades. Hope you were profitable. And yes, make sure you join in tomorrow for next week's, that is June's monthly expiry trading, right? So we shall start getting into the OI and all that from next tomorrow's live. So yes, thank you so much for joining, and yes, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that bell icon, and Again, quick disclaimer right before I leave is that this is completely for educational purposes. We do not provide any calls or tips. And before you do take any trade, make sure you consult your financial advisor. So yes, thank you so much, and I will catch you tomorrow.